Så var der også en i dag.
Hvor fint.
Flot og hundefisk her. Vi lige har listet den lige så stille ud her. Og stadig hende. Det var godt. Det er godt nok ellers vanskeligt i dag, altså det er helt sindssygt, så meget vind der er. Blæser det, Bo?
Ja, det blæser rigtig meget. Sådan der.
Hello there everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about the new TFO two-handed rods. TFO is a brand that I've always been a fan of and I've been using their rods quite a lot and been selling their rods a lot because I think that they are in general maybe the best value for money brand there is out there. Their rods are very reasonably priced and you get a lot of quality for your money's worth. They have a very extended and great service and warranty as well. And today I'm going to talk about TFO Professional II. This is a fairly inexpensive rod that I've been fishing with for the past 3 trips, I think. And I must say I am truly impressed by how cool this is. Here in Denmark, when we fish for salmon, we use a lot of the time we use sinking lines, and this rod really just performs overall exceedingly well. From the first time I broke my igniter, so I took my Sage igniter, so I took one of these out for a spin because basically I wanted to see how they were and if it was something that we wanted to sell in the shop. And from the first cast I was just really impressed by this. This is the most inexpensive two-handed rod I've ever come across, and you just get so much for your money's worth. Of course, with a rod in this price range, there is something that they have to cut in order to make the price so low. And in regards to this rod, it's the parts it's made from. It's made from some decent guides, but it's not the top of the line. Also, the handle here is made from granulated cork with some neoprene, and the reel seat is very basic. So what you basically get in this rod is a rod that is not pretentious. It's not built from the top shelf components, but it's functional and it really just performs very well. So as I said, I've been fishing with this and catching some fish these past couple of trips, and just the overall performance of this TFO Professional II it's outstanding. In my shop, Nordic Anglers, we have some kits where you can buy the perfect setup for the Danish fishing, which is a reel, a shooting line, a shooting head, and a tip. And we make those in a you get a small discount if you buy a complete set. And this setup will be perfect for you to start your career as a salmon fisherman. I also wanted to show you how easy it is to cast with this TFO Professional. Basically, you just point the rod in the right direction, and there you go. The fly just went exactly where I wanted to. The thing about these rods is they just feel very harmonic. They are excellently built and excellently designed, and this rod here, because it's not too fast, it kind of helps you cast. So I'm not saying that this rod will cast for you, because that would be ridiculous, but it makes things easier. It really just performs well, both in an overhand cast like this, but also in if you're switch casting or whatever, without getting all of these weeds here. So I just want to show you that as well. There is a lot here on the bank, so I don't have that much room to move, but as you can see, it just casts really well and very easily. So this will be a great rod if you're a beginner, but it will also be a very decent rod if you just need a new two-handed rod, because it performs well and it's just easy to cast. So as I said before, I'm really impressed with this two-handed rod here from TFO, the Professional II. It's basically just a great rod. Den er der en hund, men godt nok en laks og en hav. I fandme flotte sådan i de her efterårsfarver, hva'? Helt vildt så flotte de er. Fin handfisk. Jamen lad os få sluppet den